Oh, he's having way too much fun with that, boys and girls.
Just give myself a blowjob. Anyway, do you guys expect anything less from this channel? Really?
I know. I crack up.
Hey, at least we think we're funny. I don't care what other people think of us.
Nope.
Yeah, they can go. They can go get bent. Washer. Other washer. Good job finding nuts, Burnsy.
Found 2 more for the other side too.
Now, these are coarse thread. The other ones are fine thread. No big deal. 3/8/16 as opposed to 3/8/24.
Damn, how are you so good with those?
Machine shop. Working at machine shops.
Okay.
I can go to the hardware store and I know more about the actual hardware department than anybody in the hardware department.
I mean, I did have fun at Ace the other day.
Well, they actually have hardware.
Yeah.
You know,
I like
some
that.
of these shitholes. Home Depot. You don't even have 7/16 bolts. They're not in grade 8. They go right from 3/8 to half.
Like, why would you do that?
Yeah, it's like, what if I was buying some bolts to put a small block Ford on an engine stand? Just fucked me, because all you got is butter bolts in 7/16. Liquid Tef. Darling. Lube it up before you stick it in. If Andre was here, he would have given us the play-by-play about lubing it, because it's funny when he does.
He cracks me up.
Andre's a hoot. I love Andre.
I wasn't asking for riding the Camaro.
The Vet?
Wow. The Vet. Because I ridden the C7.
Yeah,
Stingray.
The C8's the shit, homie.
I'm not a big fan of them.
Well,
I don't know why. Maybe because I haven't ridden one yet. You haven't really.
because you're from your thought process of Corvette is that it has to be front engine, rear drive, and it being mid-engine
Just kind of throws me
kind of
off.
ruins it. I mean, not really ruins it, but you know what I mean.
Just throws me off.
Yeah, it doesn't compute, so to speak. Anyway,
So what you do? Why would you put the Teflon tape on that for the?
tighten down this here air fitting.
But why'd you put Teflon tape?
I didn't put Teflon tape, I put liquid
Sorry.
Teflon.
Whatever. Liquid Teflon.
Teflon tape is for plumbers and other people that are in overpaid unions.
Okay. So why did you put the liquid Teflon?
So the air doesn't leak.
Okay. Just putting it up on there.
Duh. But I'm always a liquid Teflon guy. Come on. I think we're at the point where we have too many cars in the yard today.
Well, guys, that's pretty much it for this side.
Yep.
We'll put the tires on,
Go do the other side.
do the other side, and for shits and giggles.
We'll show you getting the other
Say
side.
hi, YouTube.
Hi, everybody.
Antonio's guest starring! He didn't even have to get naked.
No, he
That's-
just smiles.
That's your second video. The full Monty's in the second video.
We'll do the other side, and then we'll probably try and give a quick air up.
We got to do the right front as
right
well.
front.
Because I changed the left front a couple months ago. The videos are up somewhere. It's there.
Oh, get it all done, get it aired up, make sure everything works correctly.
Get it done and get it up.
Yeah.
Usually you got to get it up before you get it down.
Usually. All right, guys. Later.
Later. Look at you. Whew.
My foot.
First time he's pulled out in a while.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Tell me this whole thing has bad rims and that. Okay.
All right, that comes off. Work it, girl. There you go.
That was almost my toes again.
You got extra toes.
Do I?
No boots today, Benzie?
No, I didn't think I was doing hard work like this today.
You're always doing hard work.
Sometimes.
Sometimes you just work it hard.
Sometimes that too.
All right, I'm gonna get ready to pull out.
You pull that part.
Give me the wrenches. Oh,
Boss man's always laying on the ground. Oh, I mean, what'd you find, mister?
well, we found why the rear suspension dropped.
Whee!
That's the inside I'm assuming it's rubbing right here where they welded the C-notch in for the axle.
Mm-hmm.
There's a little weld slag right there, and it's, see how it's kind of polished here?
Yep.
It's been rubbing. So we gotta keep an eye on that. Kyle, gotta keep an eye on that, buddy. And I'm gonna try to keep and mount this as far over as we can so we can avoid that issue.
Yes, sir. You want me to get a little black paint? Throw it on there?
No, I'll be alright, because I'm just
Okay.
gonna rub it raw again anyway.
Okay.
You know how to rub it. You rub it raw all the time.
Hey, keep the personal stuff. Anyways.
Let's get this fitting out and put it in here.
Again?
Yep.
Yes, sir. All right. Later, guys.